Hi, my name is Andreas Hessler, and I'm with Rocky Mountain Bikes. This is our new Blizzard fat bike. This fat bike is built around the Bluto fork. It's designed to be fun and playful. It's not designed to be an epic adventure bike. It's designed to be a bike that you can rip and shred and have fun on. Some of the cool features of this aluminum frame are the dual ring compatibility, seat adjustability, the ability to take a height adjusting seat post, and of course this awesome Bluto fork. For more information, check out bikes.com.